looking out for the opposition. We don't do this for mass appeal.
What's up, guys? I'm here with the Geeta Hair today. Once more, same packaging as before. Alright, let's get into the wig. Okay. Alright, so not much was sent in today's package. What we got is a branded elastic band and a information card along with a pair of wig caps. I feel like those are essentials to wig packages, you know. So it just has their social media and all that good stuff listed on the inside. This is today's wig. Oh my gosh, I don't think you guys understand how silky these curls are on this wig. This is too nice. I actually love this. It's a like chocolate brown color wig with these gorgeous streaks in it. So pretty. They're full deep wave 13x4 HD lace front wig, and it's actually a transparent lace that they say this is. It's not tinted or pre-bleached though, so you can go in and do that if you wish. And it is 250% in density. This is actually 24 inches that we're working with today. It feels very full. The waves feel very silky, so I love that. It's nice and soft and silky and full. All right, it also comes pre-plucked, so we love a good pre-plucked wig. On the inside has a total of 4 combs, 3 in the front, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps as well. They also added this adjustable elastic band, so you know, if you need a wig if you want to wear the wig glueless, you could do so. So you just adjust this to how you prefer, to how tight or loose you want it to be. But that's how it looks. I'm so excited to go ahead and get started with the installation, so let's get to it. And this is actually a medium cap, as I usually get, and it's very true to size. It's a little bit longer, you know. A lot of times whenever that happens, I just have to go ahead and cut off the excess on the sides. Today I really feel like I want to do a half up half down style, so that's what we're gonna get into. I'm so excited. So the sides are definitely a little too long, so I'm just gonna cut away the excess. I'm gonna go in and do 1 layer of glue, okay, because I want this to be so nicely laid. Like just a layer though. I'm gonna go ahead get my I'm gonna get my Lace Vegan glue. 1 layer.
When we got sticks for real, we looking out for the opposition. We don't do this for mass appeal. Don't make me blast it still. I put in work, no fly in the mirror. They want me to lose, but I can't. Mama shed like 1,000 tears. I can't do that shit to waste. I pull up in Mercedes. Next year you gon' see me pull up in the race. All I do is ball hard. Mama told me, boy, make sure you tie up your lace. Hey, when I was down bad, boy, I got on my knees and I started to pray. Now I'm breaking bread with my young Betty Wiz. You was a part of the gang. No, now we getting paid.
So this is how we're looking. I just went ahead and kind of fast forwarded and did my edges, did these swoops. It's looking really good. So all I'm gonna do is tie down that area so it can melt down even more, because giving what it's supposed to give so far. And then I'm gonna work on my half up half down. I just want to, it's been a while, so I said, you know, why not? And I really love the color job on this wig.
Let me show you 12, they can kiss my hair. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right up, now we getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling, I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you 12, they can kiss my hair. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right, I push the I do the dash, on my way to the bag, boy, you know I push the gas.
So this is it, guys. Oh my gosh, isn't this the cutest? Like, guys, I'm loving the waves, the deep waves. Oh yeah, the volume, perfect. perfect. It looks so, I love this voluminous wavy vibe. It is too nice. This is how the lace is looking. You know, could definitely, if you don't want to do any swoops, you don't have to. It's all up to you. It's all optional. But I love the way this half up half down turned out. I'm getting minimal shedding, by the way, just so you guys know, minimal shedding. So I mean, it's not like really bad. And I'm just fluffing it. Like literally, this is the look I wanted. This is the look I wanted, and it's perfect. The little highlighted portions really accentuate the look. I definitely think it's a 10. Let me know what you guys think. So I'm gonna be sure to drop the direct link to this wig down below in my description box. So if you guys are interested in getting it for yourself, you can go ahead and do so. Also, all the specifications will be listed as usual. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Very easy, quick, and to the point. Love it. Love, 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 love. Let me know what you guys think about it, because it looks so good. Good. Well, it's been a while since I've done a half up half down, so I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling this look 100%. Yeah, so that's it for today though, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and pick up on yourself. Bye.
Okay, my timing is critical. Then on my rhyming is pivotal. Homie, the dash is digital, gas residual. Fire and smoke like I'm leading a ritual. If you bet my cash is long, I hit the gas, I'm gone. Riding my wave, I've been stuck in my